Hey, how are you? I didn't see you. No, don't tell me that you wanna make a chocolate cupcake in 2 minutes, baked in the microwave. Come on, man, it's not possible, there is no chance to do it. Yes, it's possible. Here with Max Kitchen, everything is possible. And now I'm going to show you how to make a delicious chocolate cake in the cup, using a spoon, a fork, a small bowl, and a cup, of course. And nothing else. You don't need any equipment. Everybody can do it, and everybody can enjoy it, like dessert or snack. And now, step by step, I'm going to show you how you can make it. Here we go. Here we have 2 cups, one for him and one for her. This is a 330 milliliters cup, which is gonna give you a nice portion. But eventually you can use a 200 milliliters cup. That is gonna be the best size if you have kids at home or you are not really hungry. You can find the recipe in the description below. Now, let's start. In the 2 cups we are gonna add 3 tablespoons of sugar in each one. And then we add 1 egg. And with a simple fork we are gonna give a nice and quick stir until both ingredients are well combined. A tablespoon of vegetable oil and a tablespoon of milk. We move on with half teaspoon of vanilla paste, but if you have vanilla extract, it's gonna be fine. And we put on the side. In 2 small bowls we are gonna add 3 tablespoons of plain flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. At this stage we are gonna mix all the ingredients, and if you would like to sift them, it's gonna be even better. Put on the side, and now it's time to put together the puzzle. 1 teaspoon at a time, we add the dry mix to the liquid mix and we stir a bit. When everything is well mixed, we keep going with 1 teaspoon at a time. And this, guys, is the results. When you get this result, you are ready to go. And here we go, we are in front of the microwave, and this is the way how we are gonna bake our cake. So make sure that you set the time for 45 seconds at medium-high power. Otherwise, if you're gonna cook it for too long, you're gonna have a really dry cake. And you don't want it, right? And our chocolate cake are ready, straight out of the microwave. Now, make sure that you don't overcook them. So, no more than 1 minute in the microwave, and it depends also on your microwave. So you have to play between medium-high power and high power. Now, let's decorate them with sprinkles and whipping cream. And just before everything starts melting, I want to try this beautiful chocolate cupcake with whipping cream and chocolate sprinkles. Let's give a bite. Guys, this is really nice. It's really nice. It's so delicious. You have to try it and let me know in the comments below. I hope, guys, you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, and I'll see you in the next recipe, Italian recipe.